Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a couple more Christmas tree ornament projects. This time we're using up our fabric scraps and are making heart and star ornaments. Use these quick and easy ornaments for your own tree or use them for holiday gift giving. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty more sewing and crafting projects. And if you're looking for a printable version of this project with step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and printable heart and star templates, you can find them in my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. I've added links in the description below this video. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips, a backing fabric, batting or felt, ribbon for hanging, pinking shears, and of course the printable templates. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up, and center the batting or the felt on top. Place one fabric strip along the long bottom edge with the right side of the fabric strip facing up. Place a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric strip facing down. Align the raw edges on the long side of the strips and pin in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Now if you're using felt, finger press it instead of using your iron. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other. Pin in place and stitch along the long edge, again using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and press it open. Add the next strip and again stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Continue adding strips until you get to the edge of the batting or felt piece. Trim away the excess ends of the strips. I like to flip the piece over so the backing's showing and then just use the edge of the backing as a guide for trimming the piece. Arrange the templates on the fabric about 1 inch away from each other and pin them in place. Rough cut around each of the templates. Then stitch the hearts or the stars by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Then remove the templates and use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitched lines. Cut your ribbon into 6-inch pieces and fold each piece of ribbon in half to make a loop. With the loop facing upwards, place the raw edges of the ribbon on the back of the hearts or the stars and stitch them to hold them in place. And just like that, just that fast, you have your own handmade Scrappy star and heart Christmas tree ornaments. See you next time with another project.